So today again, after no reason at all, we are going to talk about RBI on banking sector report, which has recently come, which is a 6 monthly report. So RBI has predicted that NPAs are gonna shoot up to 13%, which was earlier 7% only, and it is a very huge number. विजय माल्या टाइप लोग भरने वाले हैं. सेकंड बात तो ये गवर्नमेंट आरबीआई गवर्नमेंट से कह रही है, किसी से भी कह रही है कि भाई जिसके पास भी पैसा हो बैंक में डालो, बैंक में डालो, बैंक में डालो, रिकैपिटलाइजेशन करो. रिकैपिटलाइजेशन इज द नीड ऑफ द आवर, इज द नीड ऑफ द आवर. Kamath committee has suggested one time restructuring of loans. भाई लॉकडाउन में सबकी लगी पड़ी है, कह रहा है कि भाई तुम रिस्ट्रक्चर कर लो, हमसे नहीं दिया जा रहा लोन. सिचुएशन. So Kamath committee has recommended that whether now everyone is not giving money, and how will we decide which one is NPA and which one is NPA and which one are gonna pay their loans is by they are telling that when the economic situation returns to the level of March 2020, when lockdown was imposed, and when economy reached to that section, and there are 2 quarters like that, then we will gonna decide that is this company doing good or this company is doing bad. And meanwhile, the government have stalled the IBC insolvency and bankruptcy court proceeding because no one has the money, no one has the business in the lockdown, and things were not going smooth. Credit growth in bank is only 4 to 5%, which is pretty low, because we always have 10-digit credit growth, and now it is only 4 to 5%, which is very sad, detrimental, I say. MSME sector is in problem like always. MSME sector is the largest employer in the country, and it is in problem. And what can we do to improve this sector? मोदी जी से बोलो कि भैया इनका पैसा भर दो. We can suggest the government to pay the remaining money or the remaining tender amount which is remaining with them of MSMEs for faster redressal, because large number of people are employed by MSMEs, and large number of these peoples have taken retail loans from the bank. So if we give money to MSMEs will give money to their employees, and employees will give money to their banks, and the cycle of economy will move on and on and on, and we will have positive growth rate. Now RBI is also concerned about foreign bank data, which is not clear. They are not managing it well. They are quoting that only about 2 to 3% NPAs are with them, but in actuality there must be more NPAs. There must be more NPAs because the problem of economy is going on. New management, so not wait for 1 year. So the panelist on RSTV has suggested some new management measures, like not going immediately for IBC, and we are trying that new management should wait and set up equity funds. Equity funds are equity funds. So in equity funds, the shareholders, public, anybody means promoters, industrialists, someone can buy and manage that company which is going at a loss. And when the profit is resumed, the equity price will go up, and they will get their price for management, and the company will grow and it will repay its loans, which is the main concern over here. So Let us take the example of Germany. Government buy equity shares, like there is German flight company Lufthansa, उसकी बजी पड़ी थी Lufthansa. So what they have done for Lufthansa, they had bought the share of Lufthansa just like any nationalization, like in the private in the privatization, uh, in the deregulation, in the privatization, in the selling of the stock by government, the equity of the government companies which are doing well which are doing well and not doing well are sold by the government. In the same way, the government will purchase shares of companies which were doing well and great earlier, and they will try to infuse money in that company so that the company can go on paying their employees salaries, and government could keep on earning the income taxes from the employees. So let us move further. So what is the desi solution that we are working on right now? There are certain asset research reconstruction companies which buy the bad debts from the banks, and the bank just throw their bad debts, like there is a debt of 500 crores, and the debt will be sold to asset reconstruction companies for only 100 crore or 50 crore or very less amount, and they will withdraw, they will draw, they will do muscle power, they will do a legal proceeding, then they will do whatever they can to take out as maximum money from the promoters or from the companies as possible. But in reality, these asset company reconstruction company are also in bad shape, because इंडिया में कोई पैसे ले ले तो वो देता नहीं है. So the panelists have proposed a 3-year planned phase for the banking sector, and at last, what is at last? So we are going to discuss what is insolvency and bankruptcy code. So in insolvency and earlier there were earlier, if a company was not able to pay the debt, then there was some bad resolution mechanism. But then comes the insolvency and bankruptcy code, which provides that the case should be resolved within 270 days of the filing of the IBC. It has fastened the process. Once a company is registered with NCLT for insolvency and bankruptcy proceeding, then the promoter is shunned off. The directors of the company is shunned off from the management, and their assets are sold off in the open market. So in order to save their company, they generally mortgage their homes, mortgage their cars, and do whatever it takes to save their company. So this is all that I want to say for today. We will be back next day, and this is Kuch Bhi ka episode number 1. Okay, bye.